Good morning. How are you all? Hope you are all good. Right. Often it is seen that our young generation, those who are from different states, speak different languages. As we know, India is a vast country and divided into many states and many languages are spoken national level as well as to the regional level. Now the question comes, as and when their growth part of comes, language becomes the hurdles. And the language, why I say hurdle? Because there is a international language. We know that as we open the computer by putting a password to know about the world, same way in language, English is a language that open the way globally. When I say globally, because earlier what used to be done, the country people they are always remain inside our country, and at that time there was no much of need to go outside or go abroad. But now due to globalization, due to trades and all businesses, the world has become very small. And if the world has become very small, small means not in area, I am talking in the sense of understanding the world has become very small. Now, in this way, what happened? The language, a language which is spoken throughout the world is needed to understand. As we know, language is only the criteria, the way or version by which one can make an attempt to understand others and others are understood by himself. So, English become very important language because it is spoken globally, internationally recognized. Now, often it is seen that we speak English, and some of the young kids they will speak very fast, very quick, but they normally make mistake while speaking a good English. What is important? We should speak a pure and good English that should sound every word, every meaning in a very proper manner. Now, here I have how can you improve English speaking? It's important. One is aspect is very important. The person who want to speak in English, he should know the alphabet, the words. Means a primary education is important to speak a good English. Now, how you can become a good speaker or speaking a good English, that lies on practice. The first practice is listening. Listening is very important. Listening. Listening the like audio, video, or some of the CDs where some people they speak. Like you can listen and like our great personality, world-renowned personality, that is Swami Vivekananda. And there are so many other good speakers, those who spoke very pure and in a systemical manner. So listening that will create a personality to understand English slowly. That means it is not that only once you listen and then you say I become master. No. Listening is a continuous process that should be followed every day as we go for food and all. Same way, listening of English videos, audios, or some of the CDs where the good lecture is set up, and you need to just listen. Listen very carefully how and the way the art of speaking lies only with the speaker. So how the speaker has motivated, how the speaker has converted his words of wisdom or knowledge into a flow of speaking English. That's very important. So first part comes listening. Now after listening, it is not important that you should be master in English. But when you listen continuously, once, twice, 100 times, 200 times, not only one personality, you can learn and listen from many personality those who speak very good English. Now, listening there comes a reading habit. As I said in my previously word, that someone who knows a primary English must read. Reading is a very good habit. Whatever is reading, one must read carefully, and he should also attempt to learn the vocabulary, and he should also attempt as he listen the words, same way he speak. The pronunciation also becomes very important. Sometimes they differ from area to area in our country, but that does not stop. If you want to change, you can change. If you wish to be a good speaker, you can be. There is nothing which can stop someone to become a good speaker. Now, listening and reading. Reading is not only once. Read once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. Then you go in front of a glass mirror and speak. Just check your face expression. How it happened when you speak. Do you feel tense on your head? Do your words are here and there? So that practice of listening is important, and then reading is important, and the final phase only comes with the speaking. I can assure you, if the practice of first is listening, try to listen whenever someone speaks, whenever someone has given, because in our schools and colleges, you find many kids, they are so sincere, they are so brilliant, but due to lack in English speaking, lack in spoken English, they are not preferred for better job, because language is one of the most important aspect by it we can put ourselves forward and we can also understand the others. So that becomes very important nationally or internationally or any other multinational company, because multinational companies they deal all around the world, and in that sense it becomes very important that individual, whoever, it is not impossible, it's certainly very possible, but one should speak in clarity, the words clarity. No matter you speak very fast or slow, it's not be that slow also, but it's not that you should be very fast in speaking and you become smart. No, the purity of English must lie in your words, and the purity of expression in your face when you speak, when you talk to your audience and tell them, they must have a contact of your word. They should feel that if they are looking here and there, they will miss out some of the very important words. And so improving English, the topic is very important in today's scenario, and the time is going to come in word, because if you go to computer or any other field, this become very important English language. It is not that the other language should be left behind. No. But what is important? What can give you better future? And what is the need of globally? That is to be understood. So I think, again I repeat, listening number of times, and then reading. Keep reading. Whatever has listened, if you feel like to write and read. And then finally, you can copy, imitate the people. Means copying the other person, how he utter the words, how he or she is spoken during the class. Some of the teachers, they speak very good English in the classroom. Just try to listen carefully. This will help you in many ways. When they are teaching subject, that also is entering to your mind. And when they are teaching and speaking, those words will also hit to your mind and they will help you to grow better. So this class was basically how can you improve English speaking. There are only three ways. One is practicing more and more listening, practicing more and more reading, and then practicing more and more speaking. Because until you don't practice yourself, it is not going to come. So in beginning you may speak with wrong also, no matter, but don't sigh on. The shyness will put you back. Don't sigh on. Keep on improving. Okay, this happened this time. Next time I would speak better one and better words I will use. So thank you. I would only say take care of the language that can give you a better future, a better tomorrow, and you could be recognized in the society as one of the speakers too. Thank you.